Edye beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we'll be making Kevin's Black Forest cake. Now, why is Little House of Beans wearing camp outside gear? Well, last night I had a dream that I was fishing with Kevin, his wife Barbara, and Stu, and this recipe inspired me to make Kevin's Black Forest cake. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. And we do have a cookbook available, Outdoor Cooking with Edye, available on Amazon and as an ebook. The best way you could help Little House of Beans channel grow is smooshy the like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am so ready to make Kevin's Black Forest chocolate cake. Let's get baking. Oopsie. Oopsie again. We are adding dark chocolate brownie mix, and this is why it's called Kevin's
Black Forest cake.
Kevin, the king of brownies.